All right. Hello. Happy Tuesday. Hope you had a good Labor Day weekend. I know that I'm usually somewhere uh, cooler than this, but unfortunately for this Labor Day weekend, I'm just at my home. That being said, I do want to explain what it is that we're doing today. Really, this whole week is going to be centered around a project in which you are doing something called a Pegs About Me. So I know that sounds like a just another kind of getting to know you thing, and in a way it kind of is, but at the same time it's connecting all the things that we talked about last week with your own personal life, right? Because when we talk about social studies, right, it's about trying to understand how it is that all these things, right, that happened in the past and are happening today in our world connect to our lives. Otherwise, why learn about social studies? Why memorize when some person died, 500 years ago, whatever. It's only important because we understand things in the past as a way to understand things today and hopefully make better decisions in the future, is what I would say. Right. So let's go ahead and look at the assignment. So it is going to be a project, but we're breaking it down into two different assignments. That way, it's just a little bit easier for you to keep up with everything. Maybe eventually we're gonna kind of like say like, hey, here's everything all at once. It's due at the end of the week, that sort of thing. But for right now, we're just trying to keep it kind of structured. So there are instructions here for you to read. You got your rubric down here because this is a grade. What it is that you're actually doing though is pretty simple. In fact, it won't take you very long at all. All you're doing is you're answering these questions about you and your life and your beliefs and your goals and things like that, right? But again, it's broken down into political, economic, geographic, and social here at the end. So, like again, it does connect to what we talked about last week. Just to address any concerns that you might have, keep in mind that I'm the only one that looks at your answers, right? And I don't have really any care as to like what it is that you answer, as long as you're answering them honestly and completely. But again, I'm not showing this to anyone, and really, it's just so that I can make sure that you understand the connection, right, between what it is that we're doing in this class and how it affects you and your life and your opinions and all that kind of stuff. Like I said, it's the whole point of learning social studies, right? Is kind of understanding these things today. So, if you have any questions or concerns or anything like that, just feel free to email me or join tutoring or anything like that. But like I said, today's pretty simple. You're just getting this done, making sure that you are turning it in whenever you're finished. But yeah, let me know, like I said, if you need anything at all.